If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Google account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are adjusted correctly. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are accessing the account for which you want to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, find the security option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your account's security settings. Step 3. Locate two-step verification. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Turn off two-step verification. You will be taken to a new page where you can manage your two-step verification settings. Look for the turn off button and click on it. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Step 5. Confirm your choice. After clicking turn off, a confirmation message will appear. Read the information provided and confirm that you want to disable two-step verification. Once confirmed, your two-factor authentication will be turned off. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Google account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.